Welcome back to SG Riders. When people think about adventure riding, they usually imagine large motorcycles with powerful engines and expensive equipment. But what if a small, affordable scooter could handle daily commuting, weekend exploration, and light adventure riding? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Keeway Shiny 50, a compact scooter that has been gaining attention for its practicality, fuel efficiency, and beginner-friendly design. A stylish first impression. The Keeway Shiny 50 stands out with its modern styling and clean design. Despite being a 50cc scooter, it carries a premium appearance that looks far more expensive than its price tag suggests. The sleek bodywork, comfortable seating position, and lightweight frame make it appealing to both young riders and adults looking for an easy transportation solution. Built for everyday adventure. Adventure doesn't always mean crossing deserts or climbing mountains. For many riders, adventure means discovering new roads, exploring local neighborhoods, and enjoying the freedom of two wheels. The Keeway Shiny 50 is perfectly suited for these everyday adventures. Its lightweight construction allows riders to maneuver through city traffic with ease, while remaining comfortable on longer rides through suburban and rural roads. Fuel efficiency that saves money. One of the biggest advantages of the Keeway Shiny 50 is its impressive fuel economy. With rising fuel prices, riders are constantly searching for affordable transportation options. The efficient 50cc engine consumes very little fuel, making it an excellent choice for students, commuters, and anyone who wants to reduce transportation costs without sacrificing mobility. Easy to ride for beginners. Not everyone starts their riding journey on a large motorcycle. The Keeway Shiny 50 offers a smooth and beginner-friendly experience thanks to its automatic transmission. Riders simply twist the throttle and go. There's no need to worry about shifting gears or managing a clutch. This simplicity makes it an ideal choice for first-time riders who want to build confidence on the road. Comfortable and practical. Comfort plays a major role in any riding experience. The Keeway Shiny 50 features an ergonomic riding position that reduces fatigue during daily use. The scooter also offers convenient storage options, making it practical for grocery runs, school commutes, or carrying everyday essentials. Its compact size makes parking easy, even in crowded urban environments. Reliable urban explorer. The Keeway Shiny 50 shines as an urban explorer. Whether navigating busy streets, cruising through parks, or discovering hidden corners of the city, this scooter delivers dependable performance. Its lightweight handling and predictable behavior help riders feel in control, making every ride enjoyable and stress-free. Why riders like the Keeway Shiny 50? Many riders appreciate the scooter for its affordability, low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and stylish appearance. It offers a practical balance between performance and efficiency while remaining accessible to a wide range of riders. For those seeking a budget-friendly way to experience the freedom of two-wheel travel, the Keeway Shiny 50 presents a compelling option. Final verdict. The Keeway Shiny 50 may not be the biggest or fastest scooter on the road, but it proves that adventure comes in many forms. Its combination of affordability, efficiency, comfort, and ease of use makes it a strong contender for anyone searching for a dependable scooter in the USA. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring your city, or beginning your riding journey, the Keeway Shiny 50 offers an enjoyable and practical experience. Thanks for watching SG Riders. If you enjoyed this video and want more scooter reviews, motorcycle comparisons, and riding content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay safe, keep riding, and we'll see you in the next adventure.